We were looking at different antivirus products. We were trying to look at products that didn't compete with each other and wouldn't conflict with each other. And at that time, we probably had about 400 or 500 endpoints. And so I think we deployed to about 100 of them. So when we tried it, what we liked about it was the simplicity of installation, no footprint basically on the workstation, no CPU load that we could even tell. So it installed easy, didn't compete with our other products, and so that's where we started with it. What was really the selling point for us was that the first report that we had every step that we needed to take to remediate the issue, which was super new to us. I mean, even the antivirus companies we work with now, when a problem comes up, I don't know exactly what to do, what steps to take. I mean, Huntress literally laid it out. On top of that, we got a phone call saying, hey, can we help? So that was a change from what we saw in working with other vendors. Yeah, so we get a call from Kyle. It was like, hey man, we need to get on this machine over here at this customer of yours. I'm like, what's going on? He said, it's something we have never seen. It's something masquerading as a Microsoft component, but it is absolutely not from Microsoft. And so they asked for permission to access the machine. We called the customer, we got Kyle and them on it. They pulled this and contained it, removed it, cleaned everything up, and then they sent it out to a bunch of their counterparts in the industry to say, has anybody seen this? And literally at that point, from our understanding, it was the first time anybody had seen this thing. And I still, to be honest, I didn't go back and ask him all about it because we just fixed the problem and moved on. But it was interesting that and they contacted us. It's always been, that's been the great thing about Huntress, is they're looking out for us. And we really appreciate that. I think, most of the time when I'm talking to other MSPs and they're looking at how they're setting up their stacks, for us, Huntress is a must-have. There is no question about it. It's one of the things I watch the most closely on our network is it being deployed? Occasionally a machine gets installed somewhere and maybe everything doesn't get pushed. And so I'm monitoring to make sure Huntress is on everything. To me, it's like it's the baseline for us. So, we don't try to figure out whether there's another product better than Huntress, because I don't believe there is at this point. I think they've got it nailed down pretty tight.